Hello, welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I bring a small recipe today. Salmon steak with saffron sauce. Cut the steak with skin just like that. You can easily pick the meat and skin in the middle. Season with salt, pepper, chilli flakes in both sides. This time I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm keeping on the side for at least 5 minutes before the grill. So other hand, heat the pan with extra virgin olive oil, medium flame. Just grill one side until the middle part is so turned over. Look at that color, it's so beautiful. Same heat, you just cook until medium, about 4 to 5 minutes both sides. So my steak is perfect. So I'm just arranging in the plate. Saffron sauce, really delicious. Finished with a dill, a little bit chilli. Have a great day. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.